Hi, this video is an actual demo of trunk-based development. Let's create a new project. Let's select Console App, give it a name, click Next. Okay, let's use .NET 8. Let's proceed with the creation of the project. Let's create our Git repository. Let's give a simple description. Demo of trunk-based development. So the URL of our GitHub project is here, https://github.com iamyoli.dev trunk-based project. Let's click create and push. Let's wait for a while. Okay, so you can see here that our Git repository has been created. We have two repositories created here. One is in our local drive and the other is in GitHub. So let's view the Git repository window. You can see that we have a local copy of our master repository and a remote copy of the master repository. Let's go to GitHub. This is the remote copy of our trunk-based project. You can see that it has only one branch. Now from our master branch, let's create a branch. So let's go to Visual Studio and click our ellipsis button. Click New Branch. Let's give it a name, Branch 1. Let's click Create. Now you can see that a local repository is created for our branch 1. Let's modify our program file. So we are working in our branch 1 and that is indicated here. Okay, so we are currently in branch 1 and also in our Git changes tab we have here branch 1. Let's save it. Now let's try to change to our master branch. Okay, sorry. Okay, so let's go to master branch. It's not permitting us because we have uncommitted changes in our branch. So going back, you can see that we have a local repository of branch 1. When we go to GitHub, we can still see that we have only one branch. So in order to reflect branch 1 in our GitHub, we need to push our branch 1 But first, let's commit our changes. So commit branch 1. Remember, before pushing, we have to commit our changes. So let's do commit. So where does our changes go? When we commit our changes, our local repository is updated. Okay. Now that we have committed our changes, let's push our branch to GitHub. Let's click push. Okay. Now you can see that if we refresh GitHub website, we can now see 2 branches. Okay, so we have our default master branch or our trunk, and we have our branch, which is branch 1. So going back, you can see that in our remote section, we can already see branch 1. So what's next is we need to merge our branch 1 with our master branch. We can create our pull request in GitHub or in Visual Studio. For this video, we're going to create our pull request in Visual Studio. Okay, so let's enter a title here, and then let's click create. What does a pull request do? Pull request creates a request to merge our branch 1 into our master branch. So if we go to GitHub and we click pull request, you can see our created pull request here. Or if you click from Visual Studio, it will open a browser or another tab directing you to the pull request. So click that merge pull request and confirm merge. So now we merged our branch to our master branch. If we go back to Visual Studio, we are still in branch 1. If we switch to master branch, so take note that we have here console.writeline hello branch 1. If we switch to master branch, the hello branch 1 is not displayed, although we've already merged it in GitHub. So what do? We need to pull the remote master branch to our local master branch. Okay, so to do that, we have to go to our master branch and click pull. Okay, so let's go to program and let's click pull. Now you will see that our master branch is modified to reflect the modification in branch 1. Okay,